Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate custom gradients for your Canva designs. So if you guys didn't know, there is an AI tool and new apps on Canva where you can create gradients to your favorite color. For example, actually Canva has come with gradient background color that you can choose, but if you want to use color that isn't here, you can just use this app. So first you can head to the apps button in here on the left panel and find the gradients generators. Here you can find under the feature, or you can just search for it on the search bar in here. The app itself called gradient, so you can just click on this app. So by using this app you can add linear, radial and angular organic gradients to your design, and the gradients collection provide a large number of preset beautiful gradients. So you can just click on open to access the app. And here you can choose the gradient type, or you can go to collections in here and choose the ones from here if you want to. But I'm going to just use the generator. Here I'm going to create a linear gradient, and after that here you can adjust the color of the gradient. Here I'm going to adjust the first color. In here I'm going to go with yellow. Here you can adjust or set the color by yourself. You can click on the second color. In here I'm going to go with this pink color. Here adjust the color to how you like it, and here you can also adjust the position like this. You can adjust the intensity of the gradients by yourself in here. I'm going to delete this one. You can also add more than 2 colors if you want to, but by clicking on the add new stop and adjust the color to how you like it, just like this. Okay, but I'm going to just use 2. Just like this. Now you can just click add to design at the bottom. So as you guys can see here, this is the gradient. If you want to make it as background, you can just right click and tap on set image as background. So that's how you can generate gradients on Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.